generations of large family breeding.
Uh-oh.
Your father. You okay?
Come on, stop it. Makes us look like a bunch of pussies.
Johnny, sit this play out. Todd, come on in.
You must be joking. What are you kidding? We play some sports once in a while, wouldn't it?
Well, would that make you love me? Jeremy, Red Moondog 711, 4213. Come on, let's do it.
Guess you are my bitch lover. You tell that mean ocean.
I got you.
No, you didn't.
Oh, you're cheating.
You're cheating.
Oh my God, your brother, he's down again.
This is Dino.
I don't know what's getting into me today, guys. Just
Nature versus nurture, Lodge. Nature always wins.
She was big. Watch.
To gain
Watch.
touch every time I look over, you're on your ass again.
She's getting ready to pounce on him.
Oh, now you're gonna blame me? Because you're not athletic enough to stay on your 2 feet?
taking back the retirement, Agreed.
Oh, no.